Hello friends, my name is Madhuswani and I am working as a PGT Commerce in Pratapgarh School, Indore. Today I have brought a concept of balance sheet for you in which we will discuss the components of balance sheet, right? But before discussing this format, I would like to explain what the balance sheet is basically. So balance sheet is one of the most important financial statements that is prepared by every business enterprise. This statement is prepared to check the financial position of a business concern. When we talk about the financial position, it means it reflects how many assets and the liabilities a business is having at the end of a particular accounting period. Right? So here the balance sheet is divided into two parts. First is assets and second is liability. Let's explain first of the component, that is assets. First category is non-current assets, and under that category there is a subheading, that is fixed assets. So before proceeding further, I would like to explain the term fixed assets. Fixed assets are those assets which are acquired by the business enterprise with the objective of using it for a longer period of time, and longer period, that is more than 12 months. So fixed assets are further divided into two further categories: tangible and intangible. Tangible assets are those assets that can be seen or be touched by the human being. Right? Intangible, there are like land and building, plant and machinery, motor vehicles, etc. Intangible assets are those assets which cannot be touched or cannot be seen by the human being. These are patents, copyrights, and computer software, etc. Next is non-current investments. If the businessman has made any long-term investment in any security, in any government security, or in the shares of any company, that will be considered here. Third is current assets. Current assets are those assets which are acquired or which are to be used for a period of maximum 12 months. Or we can say that these are those assets the benefit of cannot be taken for more than 12 months. Here the examples of current assets are trade receivables, prepaid expenses, accrued incomes, cash in hand, cash at bank, and closing stock, and many more are there. On the other hand side, let's discuss the liability side. So the first component here is capital. Capital is the amount that is invested by every business enterprise. Right? Next is reserves and surplus. In reserves and surplus are those amounts which are set aside by the business enterprise out of the profits earned by it. Like journal reserve is there, profit and loss account credit balance is there, capital reserve is there. Next category is long-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities are those liabilities which are to be payable by the business enterprise after 1 year. Right? So it includes long-term loans from banks and long-term loans from any other financial institutions or any other long-term liability that is to be payable by the business enterprise after 1 year or say after 12 months. Next category is capital liabilities. Current liabilities. Current liabilities are those liabilities which are to be payable by the business enterprise within 12 months, or we can say that these liabilities are to be met by the business enterprise within 12 months. Here the type of current liabilities are trade payables, outstanding expenses, income received in advance by the business, bank overdraft, and the next is short-term loans. Short-term loans, right? So this is all about balance sheet. But one thing I want to explain here, that this format of balance sheet is adopted by all the business enterprises except company type of business, because in company type of business the format of balance sheet is prescribed by Companies Act 2030 or 2013 and Companies Act 2019-56. So this format of balance sheet is adopted by all the business enterprises like sole proprietorship, partnership firm, cooperative society, and HUF. But this format of balance sheet is not be followed by the company type of business organization. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button just shown below it so that we can keep you updated with our latest videos. Thank you guys.